Now, I'm not trying to be morbid or depressing, but my grandfather passed away in 2015. There's so many skin cells in this watch, I could make another grandpa. I haven't had a lot of time for a lot of things. That includes live streaming, what have you. We've been cleaning up around the house, and we were cleaning my grandparents' room, and we actually found one of my grandfather's Indiglo TIMEX watches from 1999. And I've always wanted something I could carry around that was my grandfather's. And at first I received a bunch of pocket watches, which are really cool, but impractical. And it's the twist kind from the war, so you twist too much, they'll break. So today, much like these two watches that I've already done, I don't know if this is showing up correctly, oh my gosh. This is like a dorky little hobby of mine. Like, these watches did not start looking this way. This one has that metal strap, and like, it looks really good, but it pulls the arm hairs. It's uncomfortable. So what I have is a converter for it and a strap in its place. A lot of my family is cheesed that, oh, it was his watch, why are you changing it, why are you changing it? But like, my grandfather, as far as my family is concerned, was honestly my role model, because he proved to me that anybody can change. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Okay.
Pocket.
How's it going? Nothing but salt. I'm sorry I haven't been on in forever. There's just been... Oh. That flew away from me. I missed you guys so much. There's just been so much happening in the background that it's not even funny. Like, I'm posting more videos and I'm trying to make more content that's not just me advertising that I'm an art nerd. Now, I'm not trying to be morbid or depressing, but my grandfather passed away in 2015. There's so many skin cells in this watch, I could make another grandpa. He must have been wearing it in his sleep, and then it fell behind their bed, because that's exactly how we found it. Yeah! So now what we have is the face, and this looks like I destroyed it, admittedly. Say splurge. Splurge! Oh, you want the cell voice, is that what you want? Splurge! I don't mind doing the cell voice. I should whip that out more often. But yeah, here's the face, right?
Self-fixing watches.
No, I don't fix them. I just make them perfect. See, every watch has a flaw. Cell doesn't like his arm hairs pulled off. So yeah, what I do is I take this, right? And there's these little pieces that are like pegs. You can't even see it, it's so thin. And all I gotta do is slip the peg into here. Oh, I gotta make sure I'm doing it the right way. This is called like a quick release something, because you can swap
Cell
out the
games
band.
really fell off. LOL.
Yeah, once you get beaten by a child, there's not a whole lot left for you as far as options. I miss doing this. You guys are amazing. It keeps me going. It really does. And eventually I'm going to figure out how to do VR. So when I'm wearing a Cell skin, you guys will know. That way it's no shock. Yeah, look at that. We've already added $10 to its value. So what that did was make the whole, like, it was an open space, now it's a closed space, and now it'll take a strap. I have a strap set aside for it. Thank you, Nothing But Salt, for hanging around. I really just didn't have a better way to record this video. I just kind of wanted to show off a dorky hobby. So this is a double band, and what that means is the watch goes on top, and then the bottom's your arm, so the watch and your wrist don't make contact anymore. My only problem right now is this strap is actually quite thin. It's still my grandfather's watch. I didn't want to make it look too hipstery or nerdy or trendy, so it doesn't have the, you know, the freaking shining as its strap. I just wanted like a gentleman's watch, you know? There we go. Versus what we started with. How's that? I really just wanted to show this. Here, I'll put it on. Like, it's called a NATO strap, and it's really cool because it actually kind of folds up. And that, to me, is like the coolest looking thing right there. That little tuck. Like, look at that. That is an active man's watch. Even if I'm not very active, my watch can at least tell people that I am. If you guys have suggestions, I am listening. You know, there's no dumb ideas. I just sang. I've never done that before in a public setting, but I just sang, and I'm surprised at your feedback. And like I said, you guys are carrying me. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm going to figure out something to do to stream as soon as I have time.